Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last year I made Kiyomi, a cherry blossom spirit that represents life, and later on I decided to make her evil twin, Tsunako, the spirit of destruction. Some of you view both sisters as spring and autumn, and asked me if I was going to complete a seasonal series, and I wasn't really inspired by it, until one day, there it was. The perfect idea. To maintain the line of my other two trees, I'll be using Draculaura as well. I actually made this doll back in December, but then the holidays came, and I finished the doll but the video wasn't ready. But then I came back and I felt like I needed to continue with my Deadly Sin series, so here we are. What you're watching right now is actually my first attempt on the face. I was looking for a sensual stare with a very cold makeup, using different shades of blue and this really cool double wing liner. As always, I'm contouring the forehead and cheeks. For the eyes, I painted them with metallic blue. But she was looking kinda mean, and for the winter spirit, I imagined more like a serene and peaceful being, so I repainted her face one more time off camera. But with the eyes closed this time. I went all the way with the blush on the apples of the cheeks and nose to achieve a cold look, added small false lashes, and now it's time to get frosted. Using a cheap ass polish as glue, I'm adding these amazing rhinestones on her forehead. That's what I'm talking about. For the tree branches, I'm using the same technique of my past two dolls. Cutting small pieces of thin wire and insert them on the existing plugs. Later, twist the wire and position them as I want them. Once I have a good structure, I'll cover it with foam clay. And while it's still fresh, I'm using a nail file to carve the wood texture. To give the branches more design, I'm twisting the foam a little bit. While the tree is curing/drying, I'm working on the dress. I'm using the same wannabe kimono pattern I used for the other two dolls. But this time I'll cut off the cleavage, so she has the shoulders exposed. I'm using this cool fabric. Sew all the pieces and add a tulle on the top and lace on the bottom. Now I'll attach the sleeves right on the sides with a few stitches. To close the kimono, I'll use a piece of ribbon with snaps. Now let's try the kimono on our mannequin. Perfect. The tree is dry and now it's time for the paint. First, I'll give a layer of dark brown. Then dry brush light brown, and later some silver. As she's a winter tree, she will have no flowers. Instead, a lot of crystals will be hanging off the branches. Just like the other trees, I'm using plastic thread and crimps to hold the crystals. To add a little winter flair, I'm using these iridescent snowflakes. This was a very long process, so I didn't record it completely. To position the thread on the branches, I'll use a needle and add a crimp to the end. To finish this project, I'll cover all the crimps with some iridescent flakes. To be honest, I'm really happy I decided to redo her face. With her eyes closed and all those crystals, she looks like she's frozen in time. I really don't have a name for this spirit yet. I'd love to read your suggestions. We have spring, autumn, and winter. Only summer left. But I will take a little more time, because I have really special projects in line. As always, remember to like, share, and become a workshopper by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Kira out.